Alright, so this is GriddleGuard's hardcover lid for the Blackstone 36-inch griddle. This is their diamond plate version. This one does come with a wooden handle, and it's located right here on the front, so it makes it easy to grab it and hang it off the back here. It comes with those nice wide hooks, so it's really stable off the back. But yeah, this lid is made in the USA. This thing really shines out in the sun. I'm in my garage right now, so you can't really tell, but you can still see how shiny it gets. It's a good fit. There's no gaps underneath the lid. It's a nice snug fit. And I was told that this lid does work with the Sam's Club Members Mark version as well. It's just a little bit big, but it does work for it. And also, GriddleGuard does sell these lids for the 28-inch version as well by Blackstone. And this is my newest model of the Blackstone. This one has the rear grease management system, but this lid, I guess, also works with the side grease management system. So if you have an older Blackstone, it works for that as well. So I mainly use the hard cover for storage. So after I'm done cooking, I put the hard lid on, and then I put my soft cover over it. So it keeps my griddle top seasoned and protected from like bugs or rodents and stuff like that. So overall, I'm pretty happy and excited to use this.